the photograph you've just seen, that appeared on my Instagram feed the other night. And I thought to myself, okay, scenario, you go away for a trip, you get there, you unpack, you have a shave and you go, bugger, I forgot my soap. So instead of rushing out and trying to find something you can shave with that isn't canned air and foaming horrible in a can, I thought to myself, why not do is pop to the supermarket and pick up some coconut oil. This costs £3, 300ml, 276 grams, so it's quite a sizable puck. I don't think it'll lather much, however, let's see if you can actually shave with it. Before we do that, there's a load of YouTube wet shavers, Kevy, Paul H, Ken Surfs, Snarch Lennon, Friendship Shaving. They've all got shaving brushes with their channel logo on. I was contacted by a new company called Bog Brushes to ask me if they could make me a shaving brush. And this is what we've come up with. The Bog Brush Mark 1. As you can see, it's a long handled brush with a cashmere head with a fair bit of scratch. They've had some feedback on the initial design and I've been told it's going back to the drawing board for some mild refinements. But the advantage of it is you can actually lather from the waist, from the middle of your chest. So it works quite well. Suffice to say, it will not be available to buy with my name on the bottom from anywhere. But the Mark 1 Bog Brush, a quality shaving product, guaranteed not to work. There we go. Bit of fun. If anybody's offended by that, it's a bit of fun. It's called humour. Right. Coconut oil. If this doesn't work, I've got a tub of cream in a brush sitting to the side. Razor, Merkur 34, in which I'm going to whack a Wilkinson sword on its first use. You can see it's a sort of fun shave, this one. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, I'll probably bleed. The knob at the bottom, you turn, tighten the head. I seem to have an infatuation with the word knob at the moment on YouTube, but hey, what the hell. Right, so 300 millilitres, 276 grams of the finest extra virgin coconut oil. As you can see, it's quite solid. It's cold, but that's what we've got. Probably way too much, but put it in the palm of the hand and it just turns to liquid. It will be slick. I've used this. Definitely slick. The post the other day, as I said earlier on, that was on my Instagram feed. The picture from the beginning of the video. So let's see if it works. There we go, we lathered up. Speediest lather ever in any of my videos to date. I will be using the hot tap on maximum heat to dissipate the probably congealed coconut oil from the razor head. So, Merkur 34 coconut oil. Obviously, one drawback is you can't see where you can see where you've shaved, especially with the third pass. Plenty of slickness. So, in an emergency scenario, i.e. all of a sudden you wake up and find all your soaps have been nicked. As I say, you go travelling and I'm unpacking, you realise you forgot to pack a soap or a cream. Plenty of slickness. A little bit more. Getting a bit like a cream, you have to reapply. And build it back up between passes. So obviously you could also use olive oil. Rapeseed oil, both currently available in the UK in the cooking section of most supermarkets. So one thing I would say, obviously it's not, I'm rinsing the razor head under hot water. I've got the hot water tap, the highest heat, just to keep the blade channels clear for so they don't get gummed up with oil. Still slickness there, plenty of it. I suppose the other good thing is you're basically shaving and moisturising at the same time. Yeah, there's pickups down here I could do, but as a working shave, that more than suffices. And the nice part is, no moisturiser is required. So, kitchen shave, organic coconut oil. That's what we used. If you'll be able to see or not. Took a scoop out. Pardon me. Merkur 34 with a Wilkinson saw blade. And if push came to shove, the bog brush. Like I said, bit of light-hearted fun. All in one, shave cream and moisturise at the same time. As I said, as a contender of if I'd gone somewhere on holiday or was travelling and I realised I hadn't packed a soap or a cream, a decent viable alternative. I'll certainly rather use that than canned goo, white foamy shite that is available from many supermarkets. Right, any comments? Leave them below. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the fun, and bye for now.